Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm driving my car to a local, really local, it's just around the corner from my house, not too far. And I'm just going to a local trail. I think it's one I've done a video on before. But as you can see, the conditions are really just dreary, rain and gray skies. But I thought I'd come out anyways, get out into the fresh air and just see what I can come up with. So if that sounds good, why don't you join along and see if I can recover any pics from the day.
Hi there. I am in my car. I am parked up at a local trail here in my town, and it's really raining. I thought I'd do some photography in the rain, which I've never really done before. It's really coming down. There's actually a weather advisory. They're worried about flooding. In 2013 or 14, we had some major flooding in Calgary and the surrounding areas. And so I think they're a bit worried about that. They've reduced the amount of water in our local reservoir so that it can be filled up and used as relief. Anyway, so that's the conditions that it is. The trek that I'm going to be going on today is quite woody. So I think it might spare me like a direct onslaught and just sort of be drippy and wet in there, but not like downpouring on me. I don't know, we'll see. And it might be a terrible idea and I might get no good footage and I might not get any good pics. So that, but I just thought I'd give it a go and something different for the channel. If that sounds good. Check it out as I get soggy and wet and see what pics we can come up with. There's probably some good shots up there here. I love a good mossy forest floor, so I'm going to take some shots of that. Well, as you can see, there's some fungi on this downed tree wood here, and so I'm going to whip out my 70 to 200 millimeter lens and take some shots of it. I have my macro stuff with me, but it's just too soggy out and wet to faff with that. The rain is really good at giving a nice, almost like having a CPL filter, high contrast, gets rid of the reflections, and just sort of deepens the tone of the moss and all the details. So it's cool to capture while it's raining. Okay, well, my audio failed at this part of the filming, so I'm just going to recap for you. I hope you liked some of those pics, and thank you for joining me again on my channel. I'd love to hear any thoughts you had about those images, and of course, I'd love it if you subscribed, help me grow the channel, and join me again on subsequent trails and treks that I may be taking. So yeah, thanks for checking those out, and I think that the rain experiment was actually pretty successful. I think the shots were pretty cool.